So thank you so much for Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a new unboxing of a box that I've been desperate to unbox recently. It is my new Glossybox. It is the birthday edition Glossybox. Check that out. How cute is that box? Oh my word, it's like iridescent pink. Look at it in the light. So shiny. So I'm just going to dive right in. I've been gagging to open and play about with the things in this box, but I've kept off until I've done the unboxing video. So as always, look at the inside. It's too cute. And then the paper is all pink, and it's all pink, and it's amazing, and I love it. So right, here we go. So the first thing that you come to is the leaflet, the birthday edition Glossybox. How cool is that? So let's have a look. Okay then, super excited about the things that I got in this box. You'll have to excuse me, I've been messing with my top all day. So first item that I have is, super excited about this, guys, from Huda Beauty. How cool is that? So it's a lip strobe, so it's boasting pink shimmers and gold reflections. You can apply this to universal gloss straight onto your lips for full coverage and iridescent finish, or wear it over your favourite lipstick for added shine. So the one I have is Angelic. It's a couple of boxes, last month's box or the one before, I got a Huda Beauty lip liner. It was like an ombre lip liner. It was really gorgeous, and I use it all the time. So I'm super excited to try this. Look at this colour. I'm so glad I got this colour. You could have got, there was 4 shades: Angelic, Rosé, Ritzy Champagne, Bougie Coral, or Fearless. So I'm so chuffed that I got this one, because this is definitely the one that I would go for. So let's see. How gorgeous. Can you see it there in that light? Oh, I love it. That's just sort of glided on like butter. Amazing. So I am going to be using that all the time. Super exciting. So the next thing that you, so just to let you know, that was £17 recommended retail price, and that is obviously a full size lip gloss there. So then the next thing that we come to is this. How exciting is this? Company called furlashes.com. So it's a rose gold lash curler. By the way, mine are huge today. I've got these. I'll tell you where I got these from later anyways. Carry on. So rose gold is my ultimate favourite in the whole wide world. I love anything rose gold. How cool are they? I love them. Fair. So these, the recommended retail price of these is £15. So I'm actually really chuffed, even with just those. That's just amazing. Super exciting. Then the next thing that you come to, or I come to, is from Imperial Leather. So this is a foam burst ultimate moisture golden amber and coconut oil body wash. So you can enjoy an indulgent bath or shower that revives your body and your mind. It blends softening skin conditioners with nourishing natural oils, including repairing amber oil and moisturising coconut oil that hydrate your skin and make it feel silky smooth. Lovely. So this is, so you can get the Deluxe Mini, which I think this one is 75, yeah. So this is the Deluxe Mini. It's 75ml and it's worth £2, or you can buy the full size, which is a 200ml bottle for £5. So that is Imperial Leather. It's a 3-day long-lasting moisturisation, so I will be trying that out later. The next item that I came to is from Bang Beauty. I love the box. Look at that, it's iridescent. Beautiful. So this is a felt tip liner, which is fabulous because I don't have many. I've used them all up. So it's a felt tip liner. It says this liquid eyeliner boasts a waterproof and quick drying formula that will stay put all night long. Better yet, it's thin, precise and marker-like. Tip glides and effortlessly without skipping, smudging or pulling, which is good because when you get older your eyes are a bit more wrinkly. So a bold and dramatic party look awaits. So Bang Beauty. So let's have a little look. Beautiful. So it's got even more packaging, which is, that's it. Ah, yeah, it was extra packaging. Anyways, I'll sort that out in a minute. So there is the tip. Look at that, that is cute. Super fine. Here we go. Lovely. There. Felt tip from Bang Beauty. So I will be using that. Then the last item that I come to is from Beauty Pro Eye Therapy Under Eye Mask. Whether you want to smooth out fine lines before applying your party makeup or revive puffy eyes the next morning, this cooling mask awakens your eyes. Rich in anti-inflammatory green tea extract, hydrating aloe vera and nourishing marine-based collagen. So, with collagen and green tea. So you apply this to your under eyes and leave it on for 20 minutes. So that there is £1.65. And I forgot to say the eyeliner is £15.75. So I'm super chuffed with my beautiful Glossybox, and I love, how gorgeous is that? I love the extra effort that they go into with these boxes. They're amazing. My eyelashes are mega long today, guys, and I bought a pack of 10, pack of 5 off Wish, and I went for the 3D lashes, and my life, they are huge. I've actually had to trim them myself down because they were so long I looked like a clown. They are still that long that they actually touch my eyebrows, but there you go. So thank you so much for watching my little unboxing video today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. As always, if you did, please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. So thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.